This brand is manufactured by Phoenix Manufacturing Inc. and is sold through their authorized dealer network, but their warranty is not as good as some of the other brands. The Aerocool Series units offer a 4x4 high-efficiency media for added cooling capacity and their Pro Armor plastic-coated inner structure and a powder-coated exterior for durability. The Pro Series includes all of those features as well as their Pro Clean system, which drains and washes the unit each day, and a programmable thermostat for automatic comfort and energy savings. The Pro V Series features a variable speed blower motor for quieter and more efficient operation. The units are available with either side or down air discharge to match the requirements of your particular installation. All of the units feature their mirror-scopic polished blower shaft, which is highly polished to minimize friction, which makes it quieter and more efficient. This brand receives an overall 4-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.